Welcome to our second virtual assembly, and what a great school week it's been. People have asked me what has been my favorite part of this week, and I must say, hearing the voices and the laughter of students, both on the playground and during the Zoom calls. I want to take a moment and thank our faculty and staff for all the work they are doing to make this a great experience for our students this week. It's truly the people, the students, the faculty and staff that make MCDS special. On that note, we're going to devote time each week in these virtual assemblies to get to know our community members better. This week, we're going to start with some teachers and a very special staff member.
Where did you grow up?
I grew up in DeForest, which is really close to our school.
I grew up in Moline, Illinois.
What's been your favorite part of the year so far?
My favorite part of the year so far is getting to know all of the first graders because they're so awesome and they've been so well behaved. And my other favorite part of the year so far has been trying to continue to beat Mrs. Wachruba to work every day.
I beat her yesterday.
Barely, barely.
Do you have a pet?
I do. I have a cat named Hermione, and I named her after my favorite character in Harry Potter, Hermione.
Oh my, I have 4 pets. I have 3 cats and a dog. My cats are named Chase, Ginger, and Smokey. And I got Smokey during the quarantine, so he helped me teach in the spring. And I have a dog named Duke who is really old. He's 12. He's blind in one eye and he can't hear. So he runs around the house, he can't hear us, and he keeps bumping into things. It's really crazy.
What do you like to do for fun?
Oh boy, what I like to do for fun is play with my pets. I like to play Scrabble. I like to read. I like to do yoga. And I just like to hang out with my family.
I like to camp. I love to kayak. I love to play board games with my grandson, Asher, and his mom and dad. I love to read, and I'm trying to teach myself to quilt, and I like doing that a lot.
What is one of your favorite things in your classroom?
One of the favorite things in my classroom, other than the students, is my really neat and tidy desk. Because it's just always so beautiful. The other thing I really love in my classroom is my rocking chair because that's where I get to sit to read stories to my kids. So that's it.
And if you have had me for a teacher, you know that I love anything Disney. And so what I love in my classroom is I have Mickey Mouse here and over there. I have things on the wall that remind me of Disney World. I have a big poster that shows all these characters on it. I just love Disney, so I try to put as much Disney as I can in my classroom.
Do you have any advice for the year?
My advice for all students, not just first grade, but for everybody is to just do the best you can this year because everything is different and we're just all going to try our hardest and put our best effort into everything and just try to take care of each other, our friends and our family and our community at MCDS.
And my advice for this year is to breathe deeply. There are so many things that we need to be patient about this year, and just to have as much fun as you can with learning, because learning is always fun.
Hi, Walker.
What's your background like as a teacher?
I was at Memorial High School before this, and I've done a lot of theater directing and teaching different programs like throughout the school year.
Do you have any pets?
I have a dog named Rupert, and he's a German Shepherd mix, and he is really very serious.
Mm-hmm. Rupert sounds pretty serious.
Mm-hmm.
Tell us about some of your favorite parts you've played.
I think, okay, well, here are two. One, actually, I was in a play with Forward Theater last spring in Madison where it was about a troupe of actors who were trying to put on a play during the bubonic plague. And we were literally on the stage of the Overture Center when they were like, you gotta stop, the real plague is here. And it was the most art imitating life imitating art experience ever. But that was a cool role, and hopefully people will get to see it one day. I also loved playing Petra in A Little Night Music at Madison Opera.
What's your spirit animal?
Probably the sloth.
Mm-hmm. Any
They're really
reason?
cute in their laziness, you know?
Yeah, I can see that.
Can't get too mad at them for being lazy.
What about your favorite play, just in general?
I love old school musical theater. So She Loves Me is one of my all-time favorite shows. I love Sondheim. Love a lot of the classics. Like I actually saw Philip Seymour Hoffman in Death of a Salesman on Broadway, and experiences like that are just very important.
And then what do you like to do for fun?
I like to read. I like to cook. I like to go on walks with my dog. Yeah.
My favorite social distancing greeting is a big air hug.
What do you like most about your job?
I like being at the front desk greeting everybody. I get to meet all the people in the school, and I get to spend a little time with the kids when they come up to visit. So I really am a people person, and I like to be around people.
What's your favorite snack?
My favorite snack is ice cream.
Do you have a pet?
I have a cat. Her name is Magnolia. She is black and white and very furry, and she's not the nicest cat, but we love her.
What's your favorite thing to do at school?
I really liked English, and I loved art classes, and I kind of liked PE.
Do you have any advice for the year?
I think we should all use a lot of patience and flexibility, and just be as kind as you can.
Now let's celebrate this week's birthdays. Caleb, Ruby, Taya, Abram, Seth, Miles, CJ, Parker. Have a great birthday, and everyone, have a great week.